Hello, 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 and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Everyday AI and me, and I'm V. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with this channel, I like reminding people, yes, this is an AI filter on me, and I thought it was appropriate since it's all about AI. So, welcome. And this is going to be a deep dive on Crumbl. Yes, Crumbl cookie. So, what we did, my husband and I were driving to the grocery store the other night, and we drove by a Crumbl, and we have this ongoing joke since we're both on very restrictive diets that, oh, do you want a Crumbl cookie? Yeah, I want a dozen of them. But obviously, we didn't stop, and I said, I'm just curious what the nutritional content is on one of those cookies. And I can tell you, lo and behold, I was shocked. You're going to be so shocked on this deep dive. I know I was, and I wanted to create a thumbnail that was shocking, but I just couldn't. One thing I hate on YouTube is when it's clickbait, but this genuinely will surprise you. So hang tight. ChatGPT, Kathy, as I refer to her, is going to help us get the down and dirty on Crumbl. So watch the screen share and enjoy. Okay, so here's the screen share. And as I mentioned, I want to look at a decadent Crumbl cookie. What is a popular decadent Crumbl cookie right now? Trace leches. Okay. Oh my gosh. I gained weight just looking at this. Okay, I want to check this one. Okay, so give me the nutritional facts on I don't even know how to say this cookie. Banoffee, maybe. Let's see what they say. 640 calories. I've never seen her do this. See, just so you know, she rejected my question, basically. So I want to go back up there and show you that. That was interesting. So I said, give me the nutritional facts. And she came back with saying, she just gave me the description, basically. And then said for more breakdown or full list, go to their website, which she does include a link to their website. I said, give me the nutritional data on the cookie again. And then she gave it to me again. So you got to sometimes guide her. And it's all about how you ask the questions. So it's got 96 grams of carbs and 72 grams of sugar. Because I've done this recording now with so many cuts that she now knows to give me the sugar. Each time she wasn't giving me the sugar and I had to ask. Okay, so convert sugar to teaspoons. Then cups. Oh, she's so slow today. This is painful. Okay, 17 teaspoons of sugar. A third of a cup of sugar is in every cookie. So what I did before was I did a comparison to Chips Ahoy, but that's not fair. So now I'm going to say, what is their traditional chocolate chip cookie nutritional facts. Because if I'm going to compare, which I will in just a moment, Chips Ahoy to one of their cookies, it surely shouldn't be one of these. Okay, surprisingly, the milk chocolate chip. Okay, hold on. 96 carbs, 72 sugar. 96 carbs, 54 sugar. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to compare their classic chocolate chip cookie. Compare the classic chocolate chip from Crumbl to Chips Ahoy. How many Chips Ahoy? Chips Ahoy is equal. Oh, it's so painful. In weight. Here's my cue the air conditioner, which I'm not redoing this again. Okay, it's approximately 159 grams. So it takes 10 Chips Ahoy cookies in weight. Okay, so now compare the same weight in cookies with their nutritional facts. Okay, so one Crumbl cookie, we saw the facts on that. 10 Chips Ahoy. Summary. Okay, see, she gave you the breakdown where you could look at them individually, and now she's showing you side-by-side comparison. So the summary is, wow, Chips Ahoy for the same weight and cookie is more calories. It has more fat. It has more saturated fat. Ooh, sodium, Chips Ahoy, that's probably because of the amount of salt they have to put into it to make it shelf stable. And carbs, wow. Okay, so if you had 10 Chips Ahoy cookies, you're eating 223 grams of carbs, which, as I mentioned, I'm allowed 25 carbs a day, or that's my goal, 25 carbs a day. So this is unbelievable. This is 9 days worth of carbs for me. So, and that's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Sugar, it's almost double. It is double the sugar. But it's got a lot more protein. Who cares? So, wow, good for you, Crumbl. As horrible. See, this did not end up as I thought it would, comparing a chocolate chip cookie. Now, earlier I compared one of their decadent seasonal ones, and I said, well, that's not fair because it looks like it was a cheesecake cookie. So then I said, I'm going to compare the chocolate chip cookie, and it came out totally surprising that Chips Ahoy is worse. So who knew? Now you know. And see, ChatGPT helped us to get a better understanding of where Crumbl cookie stands in the universe. If you're going to sit down and eat 10 chocolate chip cookies from Chips Ahoy, don't do it. Go get a Crumbl cookie. Thank you. My mouth was watering so badly, and I was running out to go get a Crumbl cookie. I'm joking. That I forgot to say, if I've done a good job, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to keep on giving you more content, Please let me know if there's something that you want to see me explore. Just tell me what your hobbies are. Tell me what your interests are, and I'm on it. I'll do it just for you. Thank you.